Hi everyone, it's Paula. How are you? It is, well, in remembrance of those that served. It's Memorial Day weekend. I wanted to say hello, hoping everybody is doing well. I'm tired. It's been quite a week. I did do a trip to from Boston, more doctor's appointments and activity. Got to see family. As it's winding down for May Stroke Awareness Month. Now, next month is Aphasia Awareness Month, and I'm doing something else for social media. Hopefully, you're following. If not, that's fine too. I don't know if you find it beneficial, but if you do, please let me know for those that are watching it. But I do want to say hello, wishing all of you a wonderful day, a wonderful week, wonderful remembrance for those that served in Memorial Day for United States service men and women that passed away in service for us. As the statements are, we don't know them, but they did it for us. So I wish you a wonderful week. Take care.